Hi everyone. Welcome to Coco Senor. Have you ever facing this major headache with your iPhone with this home critical alert showing on? It's totally unresponsive. Here, you can learn a fix. First of all, let's try a little troubleshooting by force restarting your iPhone. Click the volume up then down and then hold power button. When you see the Apple logo, let go off the power button. That should kick your iPhone back to the home screen. Way to restore your iPhone with iTunes. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Then press the volume up then down button. Hold the power button. When you see the iPhone is in recovery mode, release the button. Now open iTunes on your computer. Soon, the iPhone is detected. The prompt pops up to ask you restore or upgrade the iPhone. Click Restore. Then click Restore and Update. Minutes later, you can see the iPhone is restored successfully. Way 3 Fix Home Critical Alert with iOS System Tuner. Connect your phone to the computer via cable. Coco Senor iOS Repair Tuner is the reliable iOS repair tool which can help fix various iOS issues. You can use it to fix iPhone stuck on home critical alert screen. Just download and install it on your computer. Open the software and choose System Repair option from the main interface. Choose the standard mode to continue. OK, hit the Start button. Hit the Next button to load your iPhone details. Wow, the iPhone details are displayed here. Click the Download button to get the firmware package online. Well, now click the Repair button to fix your iPhone error. Congratulations! Your iPhone is returned to normal now. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.